Want to grow a stunning plant without breaking the bank? Store-bought mix costing you a fortune? Today I show you how to save big money with your own budget-friendly and potting mix. Let's get started. The best part is you can customize the mix to fit different plant needs. Whether you have succulents, herbs, or leafy greens, I got you covered. And here's the secret sauce. My DIY mix is loaded with organic goodness, providing your plant with all the nutrients they crave. Alright, let's get down to business. To create our potting mix, you need a few ingredients. First, we have perlite. This little wonder improves drainage, preventing waterlogged roots. Second, we have peat moss. It retains moisture, keeping your plant hydrated and also provide much needed aerations. And last thing, we can't forget the compost. This adds a boost of nutrients and promote a thriving soil to ecosystem. Let's go guys, let's get our hand dirty. So first I add peat moss and at the same time I add some water to it because it's a lot easier to work with perlite. Because guys, perlite is very dusty, you don't want to get messy around them. And in this video I do a 1-to-1 ratio, so you do 1 scoop of perlite, do the same thing with 1 scoop of peat moss and 1 scoop of compost. And for this ingredient you can get it at Walmart, Home Depots and Lowe's. I personally prefer Walmart because it's a lot cheaper and it close by to my house. Okay, let's mix them up. Make sure you mix them well, and if you feel the soil is still dry, you can add some more water to it. Don't be afraid, as long as it's not like very soaking up. Now you got your homemade soil. This could last about like 6 months. And guys, this is an option. This is a fertilizer, it's a slow release. I prefer to put it right away, so when I mix it with my plant I don't have to add some more fertilizer to it. And that's it guys for today's video. Now you can make your own homemade soils at home with a lot cheaper than the already made package. It like cost you like so much money. And I hope you enjoyed this video, so go ahead, subscribe to my channels and like my videos and share to it. And I'll see you guys later. Take care guys, enjoy the rest of the video.